How to fix camera focus problem on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search camera app. After click on camera app, click on force stop. After click on force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update, and click on backup and reset setting, reset phone, and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, so it just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so restart camera setting. Click on camera app and click on the icon and settings. Now in camera setting, scroll down to and click on this last option, restore defaults. After click on this option, click on restore, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera focus problem on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.